Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to check the X creation date, and all you have to do is to tap on your profile and then you're going to tap on your profile. From here, you can see when you decided to join the X just below when you were born. But in the case that you wanted to check now your full creation date here on the X application, all you have to do is to go back. You're going to tap on your profile, then you're going to tap on settings and support, then settings and privacy. From there, you're going to tap on your account, and then you're going to tap on download and archive of your data. So while you're there, you are going to enter your information. So here on my end, I'm not able to access that information since it is only showing you a black screen here. But while you've tapped on your download and archived of your data, you're going to first write your password. After you've finished writing your password, you're going to see the option to download. And from there, you're going to write your password again, and then from there you're going to receive a message telling you that your information or your data has finished downloading and you can be able to access it. From there, you are going to download that data. Once zipped it, you are going to see your full information. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.